Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold till it's off. And once it is off, you can either stick with both fingers on both buttons or remove them and then one more time tap on both power button and volume down button. It's not the fastest one. Let's try one more time. Okay, so once you see Samsung logo, you can remove both fingers. It should takes a bit less time, but I don't know why. In this brand new device, it takes a bit more than usually. And then once it's on, just swipe, provide your PIN code, password, fingerprint, whatever you use, and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.